Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to unbox Linksys dual band AC1200 MU-MIMO Wi-Fi 5 fast router. So this is the router which we have purchased from Amazon. So it's another Amazon unboxed series video. So here is the envelope from Amazon. It's a tamper-proof envelope. So let's tamper it. So we will be opening it now. Look at it. And here is the Linksys 5600 dual band Wi-Fi 5 router. It's a high-speed router, can connect 10 plus devices, and its speed is pretty good. That's what they say. So let's open it. So here it is. Nowadays companies normally send the boxes like this. They cover everything here and then you need to take it off and then you have another box. So off you go. You can call it the first looks. So very first we got the manual, which yes, we will definitely read someday. And here is the main Wi-Fi router. And Linksys never forgets their blues, so they were pretty good. Blue logo down here, and here are all the lights which gonna say that it's working fine or not. It comes with one internet and 4 Ethernet cables. Contains WPS mode, reset, and of course a small power button. Power button is not so much good. That's okay. So you actually need to keep it stand like this. Contains some good air vents for good air circulation, which is good. So let's put it aside. And it contains something in Chinese. Of course they're going to be English somewhere. No. So it's actually a complete Chinese product. And some disclaimer, legal information. Don't know anything. Seems like Chinese again. This is the one good thing, contains almost all kind of connectors, so you can connect it with any power supply in the world, which is kind of good. One Ethernet cable. I like it. Oh, we normally miss Ethernet cable, so they gave it. It's good. And finally, the power adapter. So the power adapter is, let me have a closer look. So the rating not able to read right now, but it must be 12 volt 1 amp power adapter. This is the standard. Do we got anything else in the box? I don't think so. No, there's nothing else in the box. So finally we got one very good box. One Linksys Wi-Fi router. I'll put it like this. One Ethernet cable, power adapter, and 1, 2, 3, and 4 power connectors. So kind of these two are for like Europe and India. This is definitely for US. This is, I think, for Australia maybe. And of course quick starter guide, which we will study and see how we set up. So this is all what we got. So thank you once again for watching our video, and do remember to share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.